guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long while since I posted something on YouTube. So I just decided today just to make a quick little video of how my car sounds on the outside. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little video because I haven't been posting anything. It's just been very busy at work, so I don't have any time right now to make any videos. But like I said before in my other videos, I would try to, make more videos, go out to car meets and car shows, anything else that includes driving this car. Man, I hope freaking it looks good in here on my phone. Damn, that shit hurts my eyes just looking at it. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a quick it's just a little outside exhaust clip or exhaust video. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, that's how my car sounds from the outside. I'll be doing more of those before I switch this muffler and resonator delete that I have. Like I said on my other video, or my other videos, either I don't know, which is one of them. Yeah, like I said, I have a Mortardyne exhaust. You know, the Shockwave. If you don't know what's a Mortardyne Shockwave exhaust, look it up on YouTube. I know there's plenty out there on YouTube how they sound, and if you do your research, it's a very expensive exhaust. Like I said before, I've been having that exhaust in my garage for about 2 years and something months, and around there. But yeah guys, I'll be sooner or later I'll be switching that out. But before that, I wanna polish it out, because that exhaust is very dirty right now. But yeah, guys, this is how my car sounds, and I'll be doing more, just in case some of you guys out there, ready to get a G35 350Z, G37 or 370Z, any BQ. You can't go bad with the muffler resonator delete. It actually really sounds good, depending on sometimes on the car. I think every car could sound different. I haven't heard any other car have a resonator muffler delete, except for one friend that I have. But that one's automatic. It sounds really good. It doesn't sound that raspy, and it doesn't have too much how do you call it? Just noise inside. You could talk during when you have your windows down and stuff. But yeah, guys, this is, like I said, I know this video is gonna be short. I know I only did just just a slow start, and then on the other one I did a pull, how it sounds, and a little bit of a few downshifts. But the reason why I didn't do any more pulls or anything like that, because I gotta fix my master cylinder. Because when it gets really hot, like today, I had to pop up my clutch, so I gotta get that replaced. But yeah, guys, I know, like I said, I know I haven't been posting consistently, and try to, I'll try to come up with some more videos to do. But yeah, guys, like I said, be safe, be careful, and I hope you guys having a good Father's Day today. I hope you guys appreciate your fathers, even your mothers as well. Love your parents, because one day they won't be here, and just appreciate them no matter what. I don't know what I'll do without my parents. But alright then, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.